everyone. Okay, so today is day one of tournament day, dragon boat tournament, something like that. It's from Adib's work, and today's day one for practice day. It starts at 10:30, so we came in a little bit early, but to support him, everybody's coming for, to support him and stuff. Also, we mainly came because today is off for everybody, and this place looks really pretty, and it's like kind of like a good day to just like spend the day in the park in that reason. We're just sitting in the car right now. That's the lake over there. It looks really good. It is also really hot. That's why we're just sitting in the car, waiting it out. I got like all the extra things we needed, because if he's if he gets sweaty or be in the water or something, I don't want him to like get in the car with the wet clothes or like with the muddy clothes. He already made his shoes muddy, so that's fun. But yeah, we're just waiting. I also wanted to mention that I have been trying, I don't want to go ahead of myself, but I've been trying the full coverage hijab, and I mean, I'm trying to like make myself feel good about it, and like praying that I commit to it this time. But this is how it's looking like. Excuse the mess in the bag. But yeah, I think it also covers my double chin. It should be like this. I don't know why it's like this. Very insecure about it, but I like it. I really like this fit. Are you nervous?
Not really.
You are nervous.
We're pretty late.
We're
No wonder they don't win any competition. Every other team is here.
It's not 10:30.
Every other team is here. They're practicing.
It's 10:15.
I don't see my.
Their practice, I think once they are done, not everybody can start at the same time. It has to be a staggered starting time. That's why everybody's like, some people are starting at 10, some people are starting at 9, some people are starting at 10:30, which are you guys. I was supposed to put some nails. Why does it look like this? I was supposed to put some nails for Eid, but I was tackling the raw meat, and I was like, okay, let me just tackle them and then put the fake nails, but I never ended up doing that. So now my nails look like this, which they usually do. I'm not a fan of like big nails either way. I feel like I can't function with bigger nails. So I don't know, this weather is so weird. Like, I put so much lotion, and here I am putting more lotion, and it's 80 degrees outside, I think, or it feels like 80 degrees. Keeping my gold, because someone, like, I saw on social media that somebody said that this is what like identify you as a beau, like like in the Western culture you wear the ring on the ring fingers. So it's like, let me put this for my Bangladeshi tradition. Also, I also kept the jewelries here, also gold, and then I also have my earrings, which you can't see. I don't know if I can show it right here, but they're too small, so I wouldn't even try. Let me just get used to the wearing gold. Oh, look at that. I think this place is nice. You can see the Target bag in the back. Also need to learn to wear the hijab. You know how girls, they wear it like this and then this. I used to wear it like back in the days, but not anymore. But I think I'm gonna start doing that as well. They have a tree here. There's shampoo plants here, I think. When I do take a walk, I will show you guys how the park looks. So Adib had already started his practice, and I just don't want to go embarrass him, but they're actually showing them how to like row the boat, I guess. And my mother-in-law and father-in-law came in. They're taking pictures, and I'm just enjoying this beautiful weather. They have ducks, and the water is cleaner than we came last time, so I think they're working on it. They have ducks. I think they're ducks. Yeah, they have ducks. They're beautiful. Oh no! Oh no, the balloon! Aww! That's the kid's balloon. It just went into the water. This looks so serene. This is like a nice spot for a photo shoot. Maybe one day. Oh wow! This place is so nice, guys. Look guys, some of them are practicing. There's like 2 groups. Adib's group haven't started yet. So, I just found my potential future photo shoot spot. I'm not sure what type of photos I'm gonna take, but this is a nice spot to take photos, especially like this part. This is what I was looking for when I was in Brooklyn, because it looks so pretty. Oh wait, I'm literally walking on the grass. Oh, okay.
Yeah. 大杯酒水 is 大杯酒 water.
Okay.
The water very powerful. Can help many lives. You can spray on the tree.
Oh, just একটু পানিটা ফেলে দিবেন, এটা ওদের গুড লাকের জন্য।
Spray on the tree.
Oh, okay. Good luck-এর জন্য।
This way? Yeah, on the tree.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bless.
There he is. We're not allowed to go in since it's authorized. But look at that. And I'm right here. They do have the gate open, but I just don't want to, test my luck today. But I do see him. Guys, they have barnacles. Oh my god. Are these barnacles? I'm not sure. But they do look like it. Only 2 of the stones have them. I have never seen barnacles in person. Always on TV. Some people are practicing over there, as you can see. We're still waiting for Adib's team to... They haven't started yet. These look like Lajjabuti, but they're not Lajjabuti. Why is one standing? The spin classes are coming in handy because now I can run. Woo! You hear the drums? That's his boat. That's his boat right there. There he is. You can see it on the phone. There he is. You can see it on the phone right here. Our bird food's here. Next time I'm gonna bring the bird food so that I could feed the birds. Look at them. Hello. Hi. I'm not sure if they're gonna attack me. So pretty. So many. Look at that. Are you sleeping? 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 Hi. Okay, this is my attempt. I have so many bags. I got some lace for myself, but it looks like all the birds are coming to me, so this is my attempt to feed the birds. So hopefully that goes well. Look at them. They're spicy chips. Pollens are flying around. Look at the pollens. They're so pretty. Hi. You're done? How was it?
Did you see me?
Yes, we did. How was it?
Oh, tomato nice.
Lunch at Shagor.
গান হবে কোথায়? কি গান হবে?
And my makeup is almost like over, but I am so hungry, so excited to have food. Tom yum. some soup.
No.
Food, shrimp, I think that's chicken, rice, and white rice. Looks yummy.